Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve this amazing math problem that is 9 power x minus x power 4 equals 65 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with today's video solution, and here x belongs to positive integer. Now, 9 power x minus x power 4 equals 65. 9 I can write it as 3 square whole power x minus x square whole square. We can write x power 4 equals 65. Now this I can write it as 3 power x power 2 minus x square whole square equal 65. So as per exponent rule, a square minus b square, we can rewrite it as a plus b, a minus b. So by using this identity, we can write this as 3 power x plus x square and 3 power x minus x square equal 65. So 65, we can write it as 1 times 65 or 5 times 13 as well, right? So 3 power x plus x square times 3 power x minus x square equal 1 times 65 we take. So 3 power x plus x square equal, that must be greater than 3 power x minus x square, because here is positive x square and here is negative x square. So it must be greater than. Now 3 power x plus x square will be taken as 65 and 3 power x minus x square will be taken as 1. So if I'll add both, so it will cancel out. So 2 times 3 power x equal 66. So if I'll divide both sides by 2, so 3 power x equal 33. So this will reject because it does not give a integer value. Now comes to the next, 3 power x plus x square times 3 power x minus x square equal 5 times 13. So 3 power x plus x square is equals to 13. It will be greater. So and 3 power x minus x square equal 5. Again if we add, so this will cancel out. 2 times 3 power x equal 18. I'll divide both sides by 2. So 3 power x equal 9. So 3 power x equal 9 is 3 square. So x equal 2, which is a positive integer. So what is the value of x? 2. Now let's verify. 9 power 2 minus 9 power 2 minus 2 power 4 equals 65. 9 power 2 is 81 and 2 power 4 is 16, and 81 minus 16 is 65. So yes, x equal to is the verified solution. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.